Good morning Swabe riders. Welcome to first Limahong Mountain Bike Challenge. Brought to you by Quincy Bike Shop, in partnership with LNB Lingkod Nang Bayan, Go Bike Project, DC Cycles, Aurum Clothing Line, Colorblend Printing Shop, Click Eat Cafe, Samantha Sweets Converge Fiber KDC Star Domingo Salting and Congressman Jumal Espino. The first category is the amateur for women, which includes various groups from the towns of Bugallon-Lingayen, Bimolay, Alaminos, Bani, Aguilar, and also includes the provinces of Pampanga, Tarlac and La Union. Cyclists competed and had to complete 3 rounds of the trail before reaching the finish line. The trail was difficult. Apart from being a single track, it was wet and muddy, which caused the tires of the bicycles to slip. This is the first mountain bike trail in the area, so this event is very special for the participants. The Limahong channel is very scenic and really suits the event. And after the women's category, here are the strong young riders of the amateur 30 and below category. From the very beginning, this group of riders immediately plunged. They were running at 40 kilometers per hour. The temperature was approximately 36 degrees and it was very humid today. The participants were definitely tired and very thirsty. Because the horse path became muddy, many riders could not cross the trail perfectly. Some walked, got off the bike, others were unlucky. They fell and crashed. For some, the course is a piece of cake for them and it seems like just playing easy. But, for others, it is not easy and they have a hard time, and for them the trail is very technical. In the men's category, they have to complete 5 rounds before reaching the finish line. 2 of them broke away and were followed by a chase group of 8 riders. As time goes on, the gap of solo breakaway rider in this category has dilated even more. The chase group still tries to keep the distance to the leading rider. Enthusiasm and energy to finish the race still contained by these strong young guns.
Go side.
As the end of the last lap approached, so did the heat from the sunlight, which made the players' fatigue even worse. I can see the support shown by the comrades, splashing and handing out drinking water. Suddenly, in every bike race event, there is also an accident waiting for you. This rider crashes and instantly slips his tire, which made him crush. Cycling is one of the most accessible sports on the planet, but it can also be one of the most brutal, from amateurs testing themselves to the limit in a sportive to professionals competing in the toughest races in the world. It's also a sport which gives anyone who takes to two wheels an enormous sense of freedom. Leaving the stresses of daily life and pedaling away without a care in the world, whether it's in your local lanes or high in the mountains miles from civilization. There's little that can beat the beautiful simplicity of a bike ride. Thank you for watching and see you on our next race. Please consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Coric Swabe. Goodbye.